Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is April 27, 2022, Wednesday. We will discuss the Nifty view for tomorrow, Thursday. Tomorrow is also FNO expiry, not just the weekly expiry, it will be the monthly expiry, so it has some significance for futures and options traders. We will also, if possible, discuss the view for the next few days. For the last many days, I have been explaining how our technical indicators, our chart patterns tell us that the market trend is down. Now it's a correction, it can be mildly down, it can be sharply down, that doesn't matter and we can't predict it also, but it's down. In a downtrending market, trading becomes difficult because it's a correction. So the larger trend is up, the intermediate trend is down. Now both the trends are clashing with each other and creating a lot of confusion. That's what a correction is all about against the larger trend. Now that confusion we are seeing here also. One day the market goes up, second day it gaps down, falls lower, then it gaps up. Sometimes it moves up and down for 2 days, sometimes not at all. There's something else apart from the fact that markets are so random now. Because there are large gaps that we are seeing, the actual intraday range is very small. All the movement has been taken up by the gap. So there's nothing left for intraday traders. And that you can see by seeing small candles in the chart, very small. All the big movement has already come up because of the gap up or the gap down. Now that's the way the markets are behaving right now. We cannot do anything about it. We cannot tell the market stop doing this. We are no one to tell the market. We just have to understand what the market is doing and adapt our trading accordingly. Because it is a chaotic situation right now, our trading should be less. Only trade when we have a higher conviction, and conviction will be high in very few examples or times, and trade with lower volume. This too shall pass. This market will also change and become a trending market sooner or later. We have to preserve our capital so that we are ready when the trend comes, whenever it comes and whichever direction. So the view is that we are in a downtrend. Tomorrow is anybody's guess. Because it's becoming a day by day market now. If you see an uptrend developing, tomorrow is an FNO day. The uptrend could begin in the day sometime and last till the afternoon. Go with it. If you see a downtrend developing, go with it. So the decision actually will be made after markets open and they show us their cards for the first half an hour or 1 hour. Trade lightly, enjoy yourself. We will now discuss the same view in charts and how we are using the charts. And we'll now move to charts. Yeah, Nifty, this is the chart for the Nifty. I use 2 charts so that the technical indicators are clear and visible. This is the end of day chart with candlesticks. This is the low lag moving average. You can see that the low lag moving average is falling and it is matching the price action almost perfectly. It continues to fall. So the low lag is telling us that the trend is down. The same story is coming with the modified RSI indicator. The indicator is falling together with the prices and it has now gone below the lower band. So the message is the same. The technical indicators are telling us that the trend is down. What else is there? What else we have is a trading range. This is 17,300 and this is 16,900, and while the market is inside this range, nothing is going to happen. We will be chopping around. Once 16,900 is broken on the downside or 17,300 is broken on the upside, we will have an impressive move, and our idea should be to wait for that move. Inside this range, take small trades, be safe, wait patiently for a big move to come, and that will come. It's a matter of time. So thank you for watching this video. Like it, subscribe, share it, and please press the bell icon. Meanwhile, we will meet again tomorrow. Jai Hind.